Tesla posts record net income, $438 million. Revenue surges by 74%. What is that? $10.39 billion in revenue. This surpassed their expectation. So it's not only a record, but it's more than what they had expected. So but 93 cents per share versus 79 cents per share expected. 10.39 billion versus the 10.29 billion expected, up from 74% a year ago. One thing I want to mention here, I talked about, I think, on a previous episode, was about those regulatory credits.
That they would sell them off to other manufacturers.
Yeah, let me just show you something over here. The company recorded $518 million in revenue from sales of regulatory credits during the period.
Wow.
But the profits are $438 million. And I'm wondering how the accounting works on the sale of those regulatory credits. Wouldn't you think, okay, on paper, it sounds like pure profit. You got the credit, you sell the credit. What was the cost? But is there a way within accounting to apply some type of cost to that where the entire margin is not realized? Or you could be like, well, what investments did we have to make in order to accrue the credit in the first place? I don't know. I'm not an accountant. This is not financial advice. It's not investment, crypto, buy Doge. Don't. Not financial advice. Anyway, I thought that was curious how they broke it down that way. That is a boatload of money. And as we mentioned the last time we covered it, it's one of those things that a lot of people may not recognize immediately, is how substantial a part of their business these regulatory credits are. Because I presume that the profit margin lives there.
Yeah.
Because you're talking about $10.39 billion in revenue to generate $438 million in profit. You see, profit is hard, Will, in the car business. Profit's the hard part. So if you can throw in an extra $500 million selling regulatory credits, which is a far easier, more straightforward business, you might do something like that. But I'm not in the automotive game myself. I don't have any cars yet. I don't sell cars. I have cars. I don't have an electric car company yet. We're still working on that. So maybe there's more to the story here.
Well, they're selling Bitcoin as well, seems like.
Yeah.
To make like a 100 million profit.
Anyway,
recently.
Point being here,
Tesla's making money.
Profit is good. Profit is good. Losses are bad.
Yeah.
Revenue good. More revenue better. And they're delivering cars, 184,800 Model 3 and Model Y cars, beating expectations and setting a record for Tesla. So no matter what they're doing to make it all work, as far as the books are concerned, how and where they're collecting revenue and profits, they are moving cars. Teslas are on the street. I promise you that. And that's big for still a relatively new automaker.